Hi all, welcome to Coding World. Today in this video we are going to learn about Scala variable and values. So in variable, if you assign the value, you can change that later. It is a placeholder which can be changed by any value, but the value you can consider as a constant in a Scala. If you once assign, it will be fixed for that value. If you are trying to change that value, it will throw the reassignment error. So let's see the values and variables in Scala. So I have opened my Scala cell. If you type var, var name, if suppose value, then colon, define the type of that variable and you can assign the value. Okay. If so, it will print the variable name, then variable data type and the variable value. So like that, if I have created this variable for the string data type, you can create for the integer also. Int value, then give integer data type, int data type, and then your value. So it will print your integer value. So like this is what the variable where you can assign and change the value of that also. Like if you try to change int value to 20, you have changed that value. If you print int value, it will give the change value. So this is for the variable. So let's jump to the values. If you create the value, you can give value example and give the data type, then assign the values for that value variable. So it will give the value variable name, then data type and its value. If you try to change the value of that variable, it will throw exception. Yeah, it will throw reassignment to the value. So it will not allow us to change that value of the value variable. So according to your need, you can use the variable and value in your Scala programming. So that's it from for this video. Next video we will learn about Scala functions and the if else looping and for loop. So that's it for this video. Thank you.